guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a Trendsend unboxing, yeah. So if you guys aren't familiar with Trendsend, it is a subscription clothing service that you get. It's no styling fee. So unlike Stitch Fix and Trunk Club and some of the other boxes, there's no styling fee for your Trendsend. They do send you 3 complete outfits that could include clothes, shoes, or jewelry. I don't think they do handbags. I've said that before, but then I forget to check, so I don't know. But I'm in a little bit of a different spot today, so it's storming really bad here. It's been storming on and off for days. We're getting tons of rain, so much that we're actually gonna have to let some water out of our pool because it's about to overflow. But we're getting tons of rain. There's lightning, thunder, so if you hear it in the background, I apologize. But where I normally film is kind of up in a little alcove up outside of my office, and if there's not a lot of natural light coming through that window, the lighting's not very good. So as you can see from here, it's really dark outside. I mean, it's like 11 o'clock and it's really dark. So I thought I would just film my Trendsend down here and switch things up a little bit. So let's get into it. So when you get your Trendsend, you get an envelope and there's a price list and a note from your stylist. This Trendsend, I did leave a note from my stylist that I had a couple upcoming business trips to Arizona. Yes, you heard that right. Arizona, middle of July. It's flipping hot. So I did leave a note that I didn't want any more blue jeans. I have enough blue jeans. And it's just some outfits that I could wear to my meetings in July. So let's see what it says. Excited to be able to style you. Outfit 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'll just read that as I go through the outfits because there's not really that much of a personal note other than just the notes about the outfits. So each outfit comes in a bundle. So I'm not sure which one. They're not necessarily in here in order, so I'm just going to pick one and then we'll see. Okay, so this looks like it has some kind of a tank in it. Let's see what the brand is, and then I'll be able to figure out which one it is. Beloved. Okay, so this is actually outfit 2. So it says, this outfit is great for summer barbecues or family gatherings. I love pairing a short with a sweater or long sleeve, which I do too. I think that looks so cute to have like a sweater on with shorts. These embroidered Hudson shorts are so fun for summer. Hold on, my other phone's ringing. Be right back. Okay, sorry about that, guys. That was my work phone. I'm actually gonna put it on vibrate. So this is the Beloved Caged Tank, and it is in a one size. $28 is what's on the tag, but some of you have used my referral code, so I get 20% discount off of everything in this box. So the Caged Tank, hold on, let me find it. $22.40. So normal price is $28, it looks like. But this is what it looks like. It's just a white. It's very stretchy, so it's not something that I would wear by itself probably, like I would wear under something. But look at this pretty detail on the back. So I'm going to show you guys. Isn't that pretty? And that's in the back of the tank. So I really like that. Really cute. Okay, and to go with that, we have the Alice & Joy Remi wrapped top. And I like Alice & Joy. I've got several things from them from previous Trendsends. So this is like, you can't see because of my lighting, I'm sorry, but this is like an olive color. It's like an olive green. It looks gray as I'm filming it, but it's an olive green. Very silky, and it's a wrap top, and it looks like 3/4 sleeves. And that one is $23.99, so not a bad price at all for that. Okay, and then we have, oh, these are cute, Hudson Asha embroidered white shorts. So they're white shorts and they've got this little like olive green. So what she wanted me to do is put on the tank, then the olive green wrap top, I suppose, with these shorts. So that's really cute. I really like that outfit. All right. Oh, and those are, I'm sorry, $47.99. So $47.99 for those shorts. Okay, so let's move on to the next outfit. And pull this out. All right, here we go. Can't really tell a whole lot, but all right, so this looks like outfit, it's jewelry, so outfit 1. All right, so I have a necklace, and this is absolutely beautiful. This is a gold circle. It says hoop and stone pendant necklace. It's really, really pretty. It's got like a double chain, and the stone is like a black marble, if you can see. Really pretty, like really pretty. Okay, and this is $15.99, so not a bad price at all for that, and that is totally something that I would wear. Like, I would wear that with anything. You could wear it with a dress and dress it up, or like with what I have on now, I just have on like a t-shirt and a like skirt today. Yeah, really, really pretty. Okay. Next there is, let's see, this looks like a white tank. Peyton Jensen Lou tank, and this is extra small. And $38.40. So this is just a white tank. I think they've sent this tank to me before, but in a different print or different color, and it's really soft, but honestly it's just a basic white tank. $38. Probably will not keep that, but you know, I mean, I feel like I could get that at Target all day long for $12.99. So there's that. These look like pants. So this is the level 99 Shawly pant, and these look like, this is what the pants look like. They're like a gray color, and they're really wide-legged. So they look like, not palazzo pants, but they're just like really wide-leg pants. They're really cute. Okay, and this is $79.99 with my discount. So, I mean, not bad for pants, but these are kind of, I don't know if I would wear these to work. We'll just have to try them on and see, but they're really cute. And I like the material. It's like a, I guess, is it linen? Normally they're $128, so pretty expensive. All right, and then the next thing with this outfit is black Allison Joy Lia Scalloped Cami. Okay, that's really cute. You can see the neckline, it's like a scalloped. That's really cute. I like that a lot. Kind of floats, double lined. And the straps are adjustable, which I love on camis like that. And this one is $31.99. So a little high for a cami, but it is more like a shirt than a cami. So that is really cute. All right, and the last outfit is one item, which means it's a dress. So this is the Fringe tea dress. Oh, and let me read you what she said about outfit 1. It says, so I said, I read in your profile you don't need any more jeans. Sent you a great pair of pants that are perfect for summer weather and petites. So I am 5'2", and I own these pants, and they are awesome. The cropped fit is so fun for summer, and the material is lightweight and comfortable. I paired them with 2 top options, one casual and one that's a little more dressy. I would recommend tucking either top in the front of your pants and wearing the pendant necklace for a pop of detail. This outfit is great for summer days, running errands, or dinner with friends and family. Cute. I can't wait to try that on. All right, so outfit 3 is a Sunday in Brooklyn Fringe tea dress. She says this dress is an outfit all on its own. It is the perfect one and done. It's an updated chic take on a classic t-shirt dress. It has the ability to be dressed up or down, which is amazing. Throw it on with a trendy pair of sneakers and a denim jacket or a pop of color heel and you're set. Okay, so this tee dress, Fringe tee dress, where are you, is $35.99. Not bad at all. So this is what it looks like. It's navy blue, has a v-neck, and then around the bottom, it's got these little like tassels, like little fringy tassels. And it's a different material. It's very thick. Hold on, I've got to get my kitty cat down. Oh, sorry. It's very thick. I would say it's not a t-shirt material. Let me see if it has like what actually the material is. Probably like cotton or something. Okay, so this is 100% algon. I don't even know what that is. 100% cotton, hand washed cold. Okay, so it's 100% cotton, but it's not. It's very thick. It's almost like feels like linen. So yeah, cute little sleeves and the fringe detail. So far so good, and the prices are actually pretty decent on this one. So let me be right back, and I will try on outfit 1. Okay, guys. So I'm back with the first outfit. So these are those pants that she recommended in outfit 1. These are the Shawly pants, and then I've got it paired with the white shirt, and she recommended like doing a front tuck with the shirt. I'm gonna step back so you can see the legs on these. So these are like really wide leg. They're not palazzo pants, but they come like almost down to the floor. They're very comfortable, but are they too big? What do you guys think? I don't know if these are, I mean, I know they're supposed to be kind of baggy, but I don't know if they're too big. I think this tank is a little big. The armholes are kind of gapey right here. I feel like I could definitely use a smaller size in the tank. And then this is that pendant necklace, which I absolutely love. Love the pendant necklace. What do you guys think about these pants? I like them. I think they're really cute. Let me try them on with the black cami and see if that makes a difference. Maybe something that's not quite as big, but I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the Scalloped Cami. Hold on, I have to get my cat down again. I don't like him on the clothes. The Scalloped Cami with those pants and then the pendant necklace, which is what she recommended. Really like the cami. I have to tuck these in right here. I like the cami. I love the scallop like detail right here. I think it's really pretty. That's what it looks like in the back. And then I just have it tucked into the front of the pants. What do you guys think? Do you like these? I actually think it's kind of chic. It looks kind of, I don't know, expensive, but I don't know, just kind of chic. But I don't know about these pants. I don't know if they're supposed to be this big. If you guys have seen these or tried these, please let me know, because I don't know if these are supposed to be this big or if they're, if this is how they're supposed to fit. So, all right, I'll be right back with the second outfit. Okay, guys, so here is the other outfit, the wrap top and the embroidered shorts, and I do have this on over the cage tank, but I'll take this off and show you guys what the back of this tank looks like too. But these are the shorts. They're okay. I mean, they fit good. They're really stretchy. They kind of pull right here. Not my favorite, but you know, with the wrap top, it is kind of cute. This just, I don't know. I feel like it doesn't do anything for me. The wrap top, I feel like it's just a little big. It's not really something I feel like I would wear a whole lot. But yeah, so let me show you what the tank looks like, just with the, shoot.
Where's that bird that I had in bed?
In the refrigerator.
I'm gonna use it for.
All right, so here is, sorry, I just took that tank off right in front of you guys. But here is the cage tank just by itself. So you can see the back has some pretty details. But I mean, this is definitely not something that I would wear on its own, just because it's like super tight, and it's definitely one that you would wear under something. So I'm kind of confused as to the detail on the back, because I wouldn't wear this just on its own. I mean, it's like suck you in really tight. But yeah, I mean, this is okay. It's not my favorite outfit. Again, the shorts are cute, but I don't know, just not something I think I would wear a whole lot. So be right back with the dress. All right, so this is outfit 3. This is the little fringe dress. It's really cute. I like it. It's thick, so it doesn't feel really thin. I like the V-neck. It's low enough to make it pretty, but it's not so low that you feel self-conscious in it. And I love the fringe detail around the bottom. I don't have anything like that. So yeah, this one's really cute, and it's really comfortable too. So the price on this is really great. It's only $35.99 for this dress. So I really like it. I think it's just a little something different with the fringe around the bottom. What do you guys think? Oh, I like it. But you know me, I like a t-shirt dress. So, all right. That is it for the try on. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you think I should keep anything, or what you think I should keep. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Have a good day, guys. Bye.